Times are tough for Elon Musk. He's no longer the influencer-in-chief for the world's most powerful man.
I'm very disappointed in Elon. I've helped Elon a lot.
And Tesla is losing momentum in the fiercely competitive electric vehicle market. Tesla's sales are in a deep slump. The EV pioneer is in the middle of one of its worst streaks, with global sales dropping 13.5% in the April-June quarter after a 13% decline the previous quarter. Rivals from General Motors to China's BYD are rolling out high-tech, cheaper alternatives and rapidly eating into Tesla's market share. Profits plunged 71% in the January-March quarter, and analysts now predict a further 20% dip when Tesla reports its April-June results on July 23. Meanwhile, a public fallout with Donald Trump is eroding Musk's geopolitical clout, particularly in Beijing. The US is preparing to scale back EV tax subsidies, while China is tightening exports of rare earth minerals crucial for EV manufacturing. Add to that, Trump-era tariffs are complicating Tesla's supply chains, which rely heavily on Canada and Mexico. Consumer sentiment is also shifting back toward traditional petrol and diesel cars. Tesla stock is down more than 16% this year, and investors are demanding answers.
Then the board 2 and 3, they need to ultimately make sure that there's oversight politically, to make sure if any political activities interfere with CEO, that could restrict some of his compensation. And also his time spent at Tesla. A lot of moving parts here. Tesla needs Musk, and it's very important that he spends his time being CEO of Tesla.
For Elon Musk and Tesla, India is the new frontier. The company has tried to enter the Indian market since 2016, but was held back by high import duties and India's Make in India push.
चाइना में बनाकर हिंदुस्तान में बेचने वाला काम मत करो. हिंदुस्तान में आओ, हमको मदद करते हैं, यहाँ हमारे वेंडर्स हैं, हमारे यहाँ बनाओ, हमारे यहाँ बेचो, हमारे यहाँ से एक्सपोर्ट करो.
Now, with a 60 lakh rupees Tesla Model Y, the company's India debut may not be about immediate sales, but the long-term strategy is clear. India is now the world's third largest automobile market, brimming with potential customers. Electric vehicles made up just 2.5% of car sales in 2024, but the Indian government is aiming to push that figure to 30% in 5 years, with strong incentives for clean energy adoption. India's luxury EV market is expanding rapidly, giving Tesla a chance to dominate early adopters in this niche segment. And with its strategic location and rising industrial capacity, India could also become a hub for Tesla's future manufacturing and exports across Asia and beyond. While India has opened its doors to EV makers under a liberalized EV policy, Tesla hasn't committed to manufacturing yet. Reports suggest it's still testing the waters with its showrooms, likely waiting to assess demand before making a big bet on building locally. Bureau Report, Business Today TV.